Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 15 or 16, this request was blocked by the security rules error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to clear browser cache and cookies. Okay, let us assume that the error was encountered on Microsoft Edge. It could be the same thing for Chrome. Basically, both are similar browsers. So if you wish to clear browser caches and cookies, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, and then you can click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time, and then click on clear now. The next solution will be to disable any VPN. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. Let us say this is a VPN software. I don't use VPN software, that's why I'm using this one. So simply uninstall it. The next solution is to disable any proxy on the computer. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections window, click on LAN settings, and then make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. Click on OK and then on OK once again. And finally perform a network reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings, select network reset, finally click on reset now and then on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.